I don't know who is Nnamdi Kanu. I have never seen him face to face. Look at my hand on the altar again. But I want to tell you something. Wherever he is, may God bless him. Because if somebody has risen up to shout that his children, his brothers are suffering, is it a crime? May the Lord bless his courage. What is happening is tear shedding, is heart rending, is nerve breaking, is mind blowing. Can our security agents and leaders account for us how many children, how many Nigerians have died under 1 week, under 1 month? Students being kidnapped from the universities. And there is a leadership. No. Either they are involved in it, or they should stop it, or what is happening will stop them. So Buhari and the Hope and Co. and those who want to fight, before you begin to fight, remember there was a time God asked me to support your people. Now God asked me to withdraw and prophesy against you. Listen. I repeat it again. Is it not shameful that the president of a country will be sick and there will be no hospital?